Hello everyone, my name is Asif Khan and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about how do you collect or receive your police clearance certificate, which actually no one tells you how to do that. And once you've submitted an application, even in the email notification or within Mitrash, no one actually guides you how to collect it. Everyone's a bit clueless because sometimes once you've submitted your request through Mitrash, the assumption is that you will get your PCC or your certificate through your email inbox. Most of the times, it's not received via email. Sometimes they do send it via email and you receive an SMS on your mobile phone from Mitrash. And most of the times, the PCC actually does not even land in your email inbox. So what's the solution to that? There are actually two ways of collecting it. The first one is hopefully and luckily you get the PCC via email and you can just click and download the PDF. But if you don't, the best option is rather than going to the CEID office, which is quite far away in the industrial area, you can go to your app store, download the application called QDI. Just type QDI Qatar in the App Store or Play Store. The first app that pops up, it's been created and developed by MOI, so it's an official government app. Download the QDI app, register your account through the app using your QID, your mobile number, your email address, all the basic details that it would ask you after you click on register. Register, sign up, create a login, create a password, and you'll also receive an OTP on your mobile number. Once you've done that, then log in into your account using your QID number and your password. As soon as you log in, you'll immediately realize that your QID number and your photograph and everything has been correctly being displayed in the app. Next to the bell icon at the bottom, you'll see this folder sign or this sign which looks like a book, like a folder. Click on that. You'll see a pop-up showing outside Qatar or whatever the reason was that you subscribed for when you were signing up or registering for the certificate. Click on that and there you go. Your PDF PCC certificate is over there, which will stay there forever. Even if it's for your dependents, then you have to ask your dependents to create a QDI account using their QID. Yeah, it's a bit tricky, QDI and QID. If it's for your dependents, for example, if it's for your child, it will show in your QDI account. But if it's for your spouse has a QID and has to register for a separately QID account. And through the QDI account, then she can download or he can download their respective PCC certificate. That I wanted to clarify because most of the times no one really tells you how to download. People go to the CID office and then they actually find out. QDI app is the app that you use to download your police clearance certificate, and it will stay there forever as long as you're living in Qatar and have a valid QID. Hopefully you found the video interesting, and see you in the next video. Take care.